Your talk today was well received by the business professionals. They all clapped when you said science is the best source to know the hidden face of nature. As a person becomes more and more conversant with the secrets of nature, the scientific attitude helps in stretching his thinking further. Curiosity coupled with innate thirst for knowledge is a rare ingredient encapsulated in the genes of a handful seekers who later turn out to be
Oh,
scientists.
you seem to have liked my speech. It worked for you to write. Look at a scientist, Niyati. I mean, he's a person who develops new things. He works in a laboratory and plays with his ideas. I mean, he designs gadgets which are used by normal person in his day-to-day life. Look at the present scenario. We are using mobiles, telephones, etc., etc. So the scenario has definitely changed fast.
You are great, Arnish. When the business community gave you the highest award, I thought that you are only a business professional totally absorbed in achieving excellence in your company. How is that I did not know about your great love for science? Arnish, stop the car. My destination has come.
Nandini Sharma, General Secretary of People's Party, commits suicide. No reason, no clues, nothing seems to be helping the police to find the cause of death. According to the report, at least 4 or 5 prominent people have committed suicide in the last few months, that too when all of them were in their best of their health, when they were enthusiastically active in their professions. It looks like they all ended their lives just when they were more happy. The state of happiness
Please leave the room right now. I want to be alone for some time.
Okay, sir.
Why all this? Why all this? Why life is like that? I don't understand. Why should I live? Why all this stuff? It's getting difficult for me. I mean, I'm getting short of words to express it. It's getting even more tougher and tougher. I shouldn't live. I should die. I feel like dying. I should die.
Please come in.
Oh, I'm sorry to disturb you. I came to return Arnish's phone which I found in his jacket this evening. I would have come tomorrow, but I saw two important missed calls. So can I meet Arnish now?
Sure, please come along with me, Madam Niyati. You should meet him in his room. He was not in a good mood and he said not to disturb him.
Oh, is it? He was fine in the evening. But anyways, I'll check up on him.
Arnish sir!
Hello, Hello? Yes, General. I will take up case number 276 and start the investigation from today itself and submit the report to you.
Hello Niyati. A peculiar series of incidents recently. Did you pay attention?
Oh, really? I'm also facing a bad situation here. A horrible thing happened yesterday. Arnish tried to commit suicide. Fortunately, I went there on time and I have admitted him to the hospital.
Oh, what a coincidence. I was about to tell you that in the last 4 months, several political bigwigs have also committed suicide. Are you sure? Is there anybody's foul play? Did you get any evidence from Arnish's house?
Yes, I've taken up the case and I strongly believe that it was an attempt to murder. I am sure that he never had any such intentions. I searched his room and I found nothing significant. But I have his personal diary. I hope I can find some clues out of it. I request you to investigate the place and interrogate the people who live in his house. Find out if you can find something and let me know about it.
Yes, I will surely interrogate them and will let you know if I find something. See you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.
It was a very good weekend. I was awarded for my work. My business is going international. Had nice time with Niyati. She loves me a lot. But I don't know why I am getting weird feelings nowadays that I can't keep her happy. I will be fine in the office, but in my home I feel weak. Sometimes I feel like ending my life. This is weird, insane. I feel it's my last day. I guess I will die. I must die. I have no rights to live. Goodbye.
Hello?
Hello Niyati, I heard about Arnish. General briefed me about the case. I'm thinking about leads to proceed. Can we meet up tomorrow and discuss about it?
Yes, sure. I am worried. I have Arnish's diary, but I found nothing specific. Can we meet tomorrow at the late 10?
Don't be worried. We will meet up tomorrow. Recently, I found a group of scientists who are doing research on the expression of the suicidal genes. They have come up with a reagent which can trigger the expressions of the suicidal gene. I doubt that somebody is misusing the information to target people. I guess Arnish is one among them.
Taruni, everything seems to be so complicated. I feel you should come to the hospital once and meet Arnish.
Yes, I guess that's a better idea to know what is happening. Only Arnish can shed some limelight on the proceedings of this case.
Okay, sir. I'll inform you if I find suspect visiting Arnish.
I interrogated the PA, car driver, security guard and maid, but couldn't find any clue. I think you both should look at the case file.
Doctor, how is Arnish? Can we go and see him now?
Yeah, he's fine. He's out of danger now. But Arnish is constantly acting violent, so we have to give him sedatives so that we can figure out what is happening to him.
Niyati, you take care of him. Try to get more details about his habits and behavior through his maid. Meanwhile, I'll go with my line of investigation and find about the scientists.
Okay, bye. Hey, how is he?
He's recovering.
Nice freshener.
Arushi, find out details about the group of scientists who are doing research on suicidal genes. Hello Arushi, did you find anything?
I found Genomic Lab R&D lab, which is doing this work, and past few months, scientists have found methods to activate these genes. And it seems like activation of these genes causing depression-related characteristics in human beings and also causing suicidal tendencies.
Good work Arushi. Note down the addresses of the lab, whereabouts about the scientist. We will go there and find out.
Stop. Where are you going?
Where is this National Genomic and Research Behavior Science Lab?
Go straight and take right.
No one is here in this lab other than this girl. Something is wrong.
We are from FBI.
I'm Aditi. I work as an RA under the scientist. He's missing from last 15 days, just after he gave the presentation on his recent research on suicidal gene. Even I'm very much worried, so I thought of searching any clue for his laptop. I'll just put on the computer to show you the presentation.
Ever since I started my research on the delicate issues of how to activate specific genes, I felt that my life would be in danger if someday somebody finds out what my results are. I therefore planned for how to get out of this danger in case if it occurs to me first of all. I suspect that there are some people who are constantly trying to sense what my research work is. While I do research for the benefit of the society, these bad elements may misuse my findings for destruction. I have therefore invented a software which may save my life if I am in danger. I have inserted a sensor in my personal computer in the lab which will couple to it through the software. Let me tell you how the computer will help you to find out where I am. I have a nano chip which has two parts, each part pushed under the skin of the dorsal part of both my hands. When I keep the two dorsal parts of my hands and press them, the pressure would lead to piezoelectric effect and a current flows which would set the sensor on and send signals to our company's satellite. When the hands are separated, it would go to off state and the sensor would neither work nor it can be detected by any means. If the lab computer software is set to run, the sensor in the computer will receive these signals and thereby instruct the computer to work out the coordinates of my location. It is so precise that even if I move 1 meter away and press, the coordinates would assume the new values. Any intelligent person can then possibly think of locating me. If possible, I may be saved. Otherwise, at least, I advise that the enemy could be targeted and destroyed. Do not worry if I am also lost in the process. The nation's survival is more important than an individual's life. I am a small man, but my country is so great. Without any break, I pass these words to you. Mera Desh Mahan.
This is why I'm worried. I'm not able to run this software.
Maybe it is password protected. Let me try.
here?
Terrorist got me some unknown hair and blood samples of his targets through his followers. He has forced me to prepare a reagent. Reagent will trigger the suicidal genes of a target person.
Hey, sir, can you recognize any of the person's faces here?
Yes, I have seen this person coming here.
It's her, Niyati.
What are you saying?
I guess she used to spray this reagent which is specific to Arnesh.
Yes, you are right. I could sense the same fragrance when I went to meet Arnish at the hospital.
That's why he used to feel depressed. And since you saved him in his house, she again went to the hospital to kill him by spraying the same reagents. I will call up the agent who is there in the hospital. Agent, arrest the maid immediately and keep her in the custody.
Can you prepare any antidotes so that people can be saved?
Yes, of course. In the terrorist actions, I did some research on this. I can prepare the antidote if you can get me the blood or the hair samples of the victims. Please interrogate the terrorists and get more details of the victims.
Thank you, sir. I will call Arushi and tell her about this. Good evening, sir.
Sir, here are the blood samples of the target kit.
Okay, I need to work on this to prepare the antidote. Wait for some time.
Okay, sir.
The antidotes. You need to spray them near the target.
Thank you, sir. We will call you for the paperwork regarding the case.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, I'm taking the antidote specific to Arnish and I'm going to the hospital now. You take these and save the other victims.
Hey, how are you feeling?
Feeling better.
See, it's all written in your gene. I'll tell you the story afterwards.